I am Seok Choi from Ulsan Medical Center, Seoul, Korea. I appreciate the opportunity to present in APCIS. I have no disclosure. I summarize the case. 10-year-old girl with a history of TOF repair had severe pulmonary regurgitation. Indexed RV and diastolic volume of 155, RV ejection fraction of 50%, and no pulmonary stenosis. The information was not given to me about symptom, exercise test result, arrhythmia, QRS duration on ECG, alveolar aneurysm, residual VSD, degree of TL, and chronological changes of the findings. What is the optimal treatment for the patient? Frankly speaking, I don't get the right answer, but I think both pulmonary valve replacement and medical follow-up sound reasonable. In my opinion, a pulmonary valve is replaced with a large foci valve, or percutaneous pulmonary valve implantation can be considered if the patient has symptoms or RV function or enlargement is deteriorating rapidly. If not, the patient can be followed up annually. Anyway, I will just follow the orders of my cardiologist. Thank you for your attention.